understand what can be done for rehabilitation of the child. Okay? These are again the matter of damages will be a matter that will be decided by the court, not by me, not by the party itself. If they agree to do a mutual discussion till now by themselves, it's their call. The victim party had not filed an FIR, and suo motu FIR has been put up by the Tura police, by the police in West Garhwal district. So whatever has to be done by the police has been already taken up. We have assigned a claim settlement officer to this case, one of our ADC, who will ensure that whenever the family comes for that claim, we will also be ensuring that under Motor Vehicles Act, we will be giving them the claim. Again, a part of that which you can find in the order itself. Okay? So ये चीज़ officially अभी हो रही है from our side. Unofficially, they are talking with the other party for claims for damages against the accident. At this forum, while you are taking up the matters, you should also take up that people should safely drive, especially kids should not drive without a helmet, should not drive without a license. So while you are doing protest here, please protest against that as well. If you are taking one side of the story, you should always reflect what as public Tura town should also do. Okay? We are a hilly state, or a hilly town rather, Tura town, and vehicle entries have been stopped now, but we still won't be able to resolve our accident problem if our vehicles are not doing it safely. That has to be taken care of, and please take voice against it. Do make people aware of it.
Thank you. Will good to you?
Yeah, definitely.
So, sir, the company session will be paid by the other parties with a mutual consent of them. It will be right.
That again, is a matter of discussion between first and the second party. In this case, I officially cannot intervene. I have only intervened to the factor that I have told them not to accept the entire compensation amount as monetary benefit, but wait for prosthetic leg is now available for victims who have lost their legs. I have asked the family to not accept monetary compensation without this prosthetic leg, because that is a costly affair. That will take time and that will take money as well for them. This is only a recommendation that I can give. I cannot allow them to be bounded by my wishes in this case. It is their call at the end of it. However, they are eligible for a compensation amount. If they come for the claim, we shall be able to process that claim. First accident report to us. Once that is available, I will be able to make an actual remark on it, but personally I don't have so much. To the first victim, we were able to help some compensatory amount monetarily from our side in the DC office, from the school side. For the second victim also, we haven't met him yet. We'll probably meet him today or tomorrow with the SP. Again guys, the fight is not between us. The fight is not between administration and NGO. The fight is for safe concerns of the passengers here. And I am as concerned as you guys regarding this. As a Deputy Commissioner, if I have the authority to make laws which can resolve our problems, then I will do that. But in order to do that, we have to take into confidence multiple facets. If we are stopping the vehicle movement here, we should take Transportation Department also into confidence, upon which only we were able to issue this order. Okay? Delays are there, but we have to ensure that लोग safely travel करें.
One which is we have come with the SP regarding awareness without driving license, without helmet use. Like those students are there, they have them like the mother, they have reached the limit to drive the vehicle. That we have always about the SP. That one we will do the awareness for the
That would be lovely. These are honestly very tragic incidents. Both the accidents, we do not expect that to happen. Yesterday accident I just got to know because of one of the altos overtaking this accident that happened later, because bike went into another lane. ये सब avoid करना, ठीक है? Whatever support you require in this case, I am here to help. ठीक है? Both monetarily and administratively जो भी requirement है, बताओ हम उसको support करें. But जनता तक ये पहुँचाना है कि भाई ये सब मत करो. और अभी पुलिस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन both have been very strictly advised. You can check the language of the order as well, both officially and in the meetings under road safety committee. So already strictly ensured that this implementation should be strict in nature. License check करना, अगर कोई drunk driving कर रहा है उसको check करना, अगर कोई lane crossing unnecessarily कर रहा है उसको check करना, ये सारा चीज़ आपको इस order में अच्छे से करना है, ठीक है? And we will also like to give a copy to the media for the take up. We will also be publishing it officially in the notifications tomorrow to the newspapers. This is now an official document. You can go through it.
But sir, one thing, there is some drivers whose age are over
overaged. They are driving. They are also driving from ARSS to the campus. As well as that, it was overaged. What I see, the person is overaged. Yeah.
There is a provision under section 19 for our Vehicles Act, the revocation of the driving license for people who are under disease or are unable to drive. So if such cases are identified, the transport department can initiate revocation of this license. Revocate करेंगे
Okay, sir, let's go through this order with people, then with this one.
ये मैंने खुद प्रिपेयर किया है।
Thank you.
श्योर कि अच्छे से होगा।
We are very thankful.
अगर इसमें आपको कोई भी एडिशंस लगते हैं तो बताना, ठीक है? मुझे देखो कोई जो इंसिडेंट हुआ आप उससे आगे निकल के ऐसा सेटअप करें कि ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स नहीं हो बिल्कुल। ये था पर्पस इस ऑर्डर का। आप लोग भी चेक कीजिए। लेट मी नो इफ यू थिंक कि कुछ और ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या इसमें, जिससे और बेटर कर सकें इस चीज़। कीप इन माइंड कि हमें यहाँ का लोकल इकोनॉमी भी देखना है और यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की फैसिलिटीज़ भी देखना है, ठीक है? अपार्ट फ्रॉम सेफ्टी ऑफ द पैसेंजर, है ना? चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू। और बात करने आ जाया करो, किसी का वेट मत करो आने के लिए, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है। देखो आप लोग अगर कंसर्न है तो आप लोग पहले तो टाइम पे आया करो यार प्रोटेस्ट में, ठीक है? 10 बजे कह के 11 बजे नहीं आना, ठीक है?
Traffic jam ना sir. Anyway, thank you.
बट ठीक है, आ रहा हूँ और अगर कुछ भी चीज़ डिस्कशन के लिए बताना, ठीक है? थैंक यू, थैंक्स, टेक केयर।